clouds will go away and we'll be able to see it better. I'm just kidding. Our plan was not to stay in San Jose. Our plan was to come out here near the volcano. And we're here. It is so beautiful. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So we are walking around killing time because we are about to go ziplining. I'm nervous, but I'm excited because I want to try something new. And, you know, why not? So, we're about to just kill time. Oh, my hair. So, we're about to kill time and just look around. And then we'll be going ziplining. A room tour. So right here is our balcony.
Wait, is that on a zip line pad?
Yeah, that's the one bridge we're at. And they gave us 2 beds. I asked for a king, but we'll make it work. We'll sleep in one bed. And then it's air conditioner. And then here's a table, fridge, TV. And we have this cool balcony out here with this beautiful view. It's raining right now. You so silly. This view. So peaceful and beautiful.
This is perfect. We got a little bit of, we might see something up close here.
Yeah.
But yeah, we can still see that whole valley.
Yeah. Nice.
And let's see what the front will look like if the clouds clear.
Alright, and we have a closet with extra blanket and a safe. And then here's our bathtub. So sink, mirror, toilet, towel, more towels, and a shower. So that was so much fun. I had so much fun. I don't know why I was still shaking afterwards. I was like, when I say I was so nervous at first, but then it just went away. I just said, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. So I did it, I completed it, and I feel good. Like now I can say I did zip lining in a Costa Rican rainforest. Yes, checked off my bucket list. So we're about to just chill, finish unpacking, and then hopefully the rain will calm down, and then we'll go into the town to grab something to eat. So yes, our zip lining adventures are done. So then tomorrow we're going horseback riding in the river. So I'm excited for that. I haven't done horseback riding in a river near a volcano, so I'm excited to do that. All right, so I have here a Costa Rican burrito. Well, it's a burrito I have here, and of course pico de gallo, fries, and babe put a plantain on my plate, and he got steak, not steak, what's it called?
Huh?
What'd you get?
Churrasco.
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 It's a steak.
It's a steak. The food here, and not just here, but in Costa Rica, amazing. So I'm excited to eat this. It's probably gonna be better. I'm hoping that it's gonna be better than most, but if it's not, then we'll see. But about to get this in our bellies.
Daddy wants a kiss. You stinker.
Ew, I thought that was your nose. Give us a kiss. Mwah.
Maddie, put your face back in the rectangle.
See right there? Daddy wants to look at this.
Yay.
Nice open. Oreo cookies.
Did you like your Oreo cookies?
Can you blow me a kiss?
Give Daddy a kiss.
Can I have a good night kiss?
Aww.
Thank you. I love you, Pumpkin.
Uh-oh. So we are back in our bungalow now, and we're about to go. Well, I'm not getting any sleep right now, so I want to try to edit this. Hopefully the internet in the lobby works great, and if it does, then you guys will be able to get the first part of our vacation on YouTube. But if not, then you'll just have to wait. So if this does post, then that means I was lucky. If not, then I wasn't lucky. This is really nice. Like, it's really nice. It's not as nice as the Sheraton. I think the Sheraton spoiled us a little too much. But it's nice though. Like the outdoor stuff, like it's perfect. Like, I mean, it's like not much that we really want to do except do like the outdoor stuff, and that's it. So we're having a good time, and we've been meeting friends, and a lot of people have been talking to you. See, it's helping you with your introvertedness. Like when they come to us, like they start talking to him, I'm just like, okay. Because even like Jason, as soon as he met you or met us, he just was asking him all the questions in the world. It's rainy season, so that's why it is raining. But today was good though. Like at least we were able to do our excursion, and then when we were finished, oh no. Oh gosh. But as soon as we were doing our excursion, it started raining in the rainforest, so it was like perfect timing. But it was nice. I mean, we're outdoor and just rain just coming down on us. So yeah, but other than, oh gosh. So yeah, I'm about to start editing this, and tomorrow we have a early long day again. And yeah, so you guys have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next vlogs. Thank you all so much for watching, and as usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll talk to you in another video.